a damn. Who don't like me? What you gonna do? Say it with me. Shit.
Good morning, beautiful babes. Oops. Actually, it's afternoon. It's like after 1 o'clock. And of course, y'all know I have late nights. I work all night. That's really my quiet time where I can get a lot of things done, editing and stuff. So y'all excuse this bad angle, but I'm coming from you from my bed again with the bad head. But I wanted to update y'all. I, in my last video, had told you about the pattern hair products, the Tracee Ellis Ross products, and how my hair looked the next morning. And now I wanted to show you how, when I wash my hair and I put my products in, how my hair just has this nice, looser texture than the Tracee Ellis Ross products left my hair. So that's what I wanted to just share with y'all. If you can go back on the other video, you'll see what I'm talking about. But excuse the bad angle, y'all know, girl, I be like, you know, having to get this in so I can tell y'all and update y'all. But go over on Sugar Fingers, check it out. If I don't post this on Sugar Fingers, but I just wanted to share that little bit of an update with you. And it's time to get my day started. Listen, today, I promise y'all, I'm actually getting ready to finish up some Christmas decor. I've been slacking on the tree because I couldn't find the lights I originally had. I'm not sure where I put them, because sometimes I'll put them up in my beauty room. Sometimes I put them wherever, but I don't know where they're at. My eyes are crying. I need to get up, get myself together. I have a face mask to do today. It is December 1st. It is time to get life uprooting because the year is almost over. 31 days of this month, and you better get started, because if you didn't do it, it ain't gonna get done. Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna get out of this bed and see what is on my agenda. But yeah, I just wanted to talk about this hair because y'all don't understand when it comes to natural hair, and you probably do understand. It's just certain products everybody can't use, and those pattern products might not be for me. But I'm going to finish up using what I have, but I'm gonna mix it with what I currently use and what I know works for my hair to keep my hair soft and not looking all crazy. Okay, I gotta do it. Anyway, let me get out of here so I can get this day started. I think I just heard Amazon at the door, so let me get these packages in. And indeed it was. Have some of my lights that I told y'all was coming. These are the curtain string lights that I've used for the last few years, which I love these, but I also got some more, so I might mix them up a little bit. I'm not sure. I also got these mini white lights. I have my reindeer out front that's in the yard, so we're probably gonna have to use these because I can't find the bulb to replace the other one to get them going. They are, one is burning and one is not, so. And I have an early Christmas present for Maddie. She wanted one of the red purses like I showed y'all on one of my channels. I think it was Sugar Fingers, but I bought her this one and I'm gonna give this one to her today. Early Christmas present. Okay, December 1st. It's on, y'all. Skin popping. Ooh, I just hit a face mask. It was off the chain. Y'all go check out Beauty by Sweet Angel so you'll know what I did, how I did, and what I did. Oh yeah. Yeah, girl, I like you. Maddie got me hooked on this series, In the Dark. Have y'all seen it? Oh my goodness. Crazy.
So what can I do for you? I just wanted to apologize. For what? Well, I was just, to be honest,
new hair, don't care.
The reason I was looking
What's
for
on
Jenny is because
headbands from Amazon. I got a whole pack of them. I'll pop it on the screen for you. Robe from Amazon. I'm just an Amazon girl. And my hair from Amazon. Damn, everything that I have comes from Amazon but me. Well, it's after 10 o'clock and I'm finally getting ready to put these decorations in place off the floor and get these boxes out of the way. So let's do it. When I tell y'all I'm tired, I'm freaking tired. Oh my gosh. That tree kicked my butt. I don't know, next year I might just be throwing some lights across the couch. Let me show y'all the tree, okay? Let me get it nice and cozy in here. Turn out this bright light. Y'all, I struggled so hard trying to get this done. Okay, I might have cut the top of it off too short, but I had to get my bow up there. And there's the skirt. I got it from Amazon, of course. And the ornaments I had from last year, they're gold and white or whatever, glittery. And the bow I got from Amazon, and I didn't know I had to put it together. So if it looks jacked up, that's why. And then this side looks like so, but I think it's pretty. I mean, I just love the lights, and unfortunately it's leaning but I did not monitor Mike putting it in the stand, so that may be the reason for it. But it's leaning from every side, every angle. It's a lean to it. So and there's the reindeer down there. They're so cute. Just perfect. I thought they were going to be tiny at first because sometimes I don't look at the measurements of stuff on Amazon, and girl, I be getting stuff all the wrong size. But that's it. I'm done. I had some garland to go around the fireplace, but nuh-uh. It ain't gonna happen. Not today. Not in this lifetime. Not me. Okay.